Zucchini season is here, and trust me, you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, But everyone just sautés it. I'm kinda over it.
Then let's change things up. Today we're making 2 zucchini recipes, crispy zucchini fritters and a shrimp shakshuka. Let's do it!
Wait, I thought we were starting. Where are we going?
Grocery shopping.
The grocery store?
Nope, our backyard.
Well, doesn't get any fresher than that.
First up, Korean-style zucchini fritters, but we're skipping the flour and using potato starch instead.
Potato starch? Ooh, so we're talking extra crispy?
Crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside. First, shred the zucchini and sprinkle it with salt to draw out the moisture.
Does that really make a difference?
A huge difference. That's the secret to keeping them crispy.
Cool, so what am I supposed to do?
Quit lounging around and make yourself useful. Go make the dipping sauce.
Yes, chef.
Mix everything together, then add chopped chili and sesame seeds.
I could honestly eat this with a spoon.
Maybe wait until the fritters are actually done? Now add the potato starch.
That's it? No water?
Nope, the zucchini already released enough moisture. Just mix until it gets nice and thick.
Oh, that's way thicker than I expected.
Exactly what we're going for. Pan fry until golden brown, and you've got the classic version.
But you know I need some heat.
Knew you were gonna say that. Just top them with sliced chilies before flipping.
Man, these would go so well with a cold beer.
Roy, it's a brunch video.
Right. A nice cold can of Coke, then.
And for the cheese lovers,
Finally.
add a layer of cheese and let it melt.
Cheese never disappoints.
Classic, spicy, or cheesy. Pick your favorite. Time for something completely different.
Ooh, full-on brunch mode activated?
Exactly, zucchini shrimp shakshuka. Prep the shrimp, zucchini, onion, and garlic. Finely chop the garlic and chili, dice the onion, and cut the zucchini into bite-sized cubes.
Easy enough.
Start by sautéing the garlic and onion until fragrant. If you like a little heat, add some chili flakes or pepperoncino to infuse the oil.
Yeah, I'm definitely doing that.
If spice isn't your thing, feel free to skip it. Once the onion turns translucent, add the zucchini. Cook until it softens a bit, then push everything to one side. Add a splash of oil and sear the shrimp.
That smell alone is making me hungry.
Pour in a can of diced tomatoes, then season with salt, pepper, and cumin.
Cumin seriously changes the whole game.
Once everything comes together, make 4 little wells and crack in the eggs. Top with cheese if you'd like.
If you'd like.
Fine, load it with cheese. Cover and cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still nice and jammy.
Can we open it now?
Go for it.
Okay, that's borderline unfair.
Finish with a sprinkle of parsley. 3 ways to enjoy zucchini fritters plus an easy shrimp shakshuka.
Not bad for one zucchini.
So, which one are you making first? Team Fritters or Team Shakshuka?
Let us know in the comments. See you in the next recipe.